In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Wix. If you've ever found yourself struggling to manage your Wix website because everything feels a bit too cramped, I've got you covered. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly zoom in and out in the Wix website editor, allowing you to see both the big picture and the intricate details of your web creation. Let's start by heading over to the Wix website editor. This is where the magic happens. Once you've logged into your Wix account, navigate to your website's editing page. It's here that you can make all the visual adjustments to your site that you'll need. When you're inside the editor, you might notice that the layout might be a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, we're going to clear that up. Now, let's talk about zooming out. On the top of your editing screen, you will find an icon that looks like a magnifying glass with a minus sign. This is the zoom out function. When you click on it, it will give you a broader view of your site layout. This functionality allows you to see more of your website on the screen without having to scroll up, down, or sideways continuously. It's particularly useful if you're working with larger designs or if you want to get an overall view of how your elements are fitting together. Perhaps you're integrating new media or trying to make sure text aligns perfectly across different sections. Zooming out helps you get that holistic perspective. The visual clarity that comes when you zoom out can be really helpful in noticing discrepancies or making rapid layout adjustments. On the flip side, there might be situations where you need to zoom in instead. Nearby, you'll also notice another magnifying glass icon with a plus sign. Clicking on this allows you to zoom in. If there are detailed adjustments you need to make, such as aligning text within a specific element or ensuring precise image placement, zooming in provides the focus you need. This feature is especially useful when you're handling more intricate parts of your design like custom text boxes or decorative features. Seeing things up close and in detail can also provide significant insight into your user's viewing experience, helping to ensure that everything looks sharp and professional. And there you have it. By using these simple zoom controls in the Wix editor, you can gain ultimate control over how your website looks and feels. These tools help ensure that whether you're conceptualizing the broader site layout or tweaking the finer details, your design process can go smoothly and efficiently. I hope this tutorial has helped make managing your Wix site a little less daunting. Happy editing, and stay tuned for more useful tips to make your web designing journey smoother and more enjoyable.